Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos. If you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is our number. And for ones who want to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can open the account from about section, or else from the video description you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstox or Angel Broking to be part of my secret Telegram group. So without wasting time, let's discuss on the strategy which I wanted to talk. So before that, this video especially for the ones who are already trading options trading, okay, not for our beginners who have started our series. Once you understand how to pick a best strike price and all those, later you can try it out, but as of now keep an eye on this. Whereas other option traders who are already trading, who knows most of the basics, can do paper trading only, because whatever I teach and whatever I share is for paper trading only. So what you can start doing, let's say for example you choose the bank nifty, okay, so you choose the bank nifty somewhere on the strike price area. So I have taken example of 21,600 which I used for yesterday's teaching also. So I will use this. You can also choose based on the volume, whichever is trading good, because for an intraday scalper the volume should be very important, and wherever the strike price is very important. Okay, so beginners, don't worry, I will explain you about strike price, how to pick strike price, all those logic later. So now for example I took this 11th June 21,000 CE because the volume is comparatively better in this, because the immediate expiry has much volume compared to the monthly expiry. So now yesterday I also took advantage on those. I'm trying it for few days. If you see my bank nifty 11th June, all right, so that was the order, one option trade I have taken, which I have done paper trading for many days, so I felt a bit confident in scalping. Okay, this is basically scalping. So let me show you the orders. So I took around 213.94 and then I scalped out within 226.93, so close to 13 rupees I have hit on this particular trade. So 13 rupees is like 2 6 2 3 6 2 4 6%, close to 6% of this particular value premium. Okay, so options, the movements are very quick, like they move very fast. So scalping, you should be very fast. Only if you're very fast and you have fast fingers and if you can monitor your system or mobile, then only you can do this. So try this on paper trading in our tradingview.com. so try these things, then only if you're confident, add your skills and parameters while scalping. So simple. Let's go with our, let me just clear all these. So what you can do, you can just go with the stochastic momentum index, like I have taught in equity. I'm not sure if you would have seen my equity videos, but for option traders, you can use the stochastic for your latest strike price options, all right, with high volume stocks, high volume options. So what you need to do, within 12 o'clock you need to find signals. Okay, this is going to be a 5 minutes. Don't go for a high Kanashi over here, because we need to catch the exact numbers. So we are trying to scalp. What is scalping? Just entering and exiting with some portion of profit. Don't add more of logics or waiting for it. There is nothing like that. Whenever you see money, you scalp out that money. So with that mindset, what you're going to do, early morning you need to wait for a signal. When I say signal, within 12 o'clock you need to get a signal on stochastic. So as of now I'll just remove my RSI. So you are waiting for a signal from stochastic momentum index. For the ones who don't know stochastic momentum index, this is the one. So you can just type stochastic momentum index and default settings you can give. So after that you need to wait for a signal. It's not like, it should not start early morning. See, early morning it is in the top range, right? 40, here it is negative 40. From top, if you are getting a signal starting of the day only, don't consider. Wait for a proper signal. Let's say it took a turn here, see it went down, now you are ready. Okay, now you are keeping an eye on it. Whenever it's gonna cross, for example it started crossing over, it started crossing. So whenever this stochastic momentum index crosses above this negative 40, you will try to take a scalp out of position. You will scalp up position, maybe you will hit 1%, let's say 2.5 rupees, 5 rupees, 2%, 3%. It's up to you how much you're going to scalp out, but you need to be very quick. Sometimes you may get, see over here, you see it has gone almost, let's say you entered at 260, the options are gone to 362. So maybe here it was lucky, because always remember you need to keep the market direction in mind. So if market is in green, overall green here, right, strong green, this is not like 0.10, 0.20, it is 0.88, somewhere strong green side, so more importance is given to the buy. Okay, same way if market was red, more importance were given to sell side, because the pressure would have been there. But as of now, yes, you can still take a signal of sell also. Now see, in this example only a buy was there, you have a buy over here, we have done with a buy, maybe I scalped out 13 rupees, maybe someone will scalp 30 rupees, 40 rupees, based on his risk he will wait. Now later when stochastic comes down, okay, now it may, nice volume is there, later slowly when it is in overbought area, and later if you check RSI you'll get to know it's in overbought area, slowly it will come down, then it will cross below this 40 level. So when it crosses below 40 level, within 12 o'clock you have tendency to go for a short. Okay, but remember you're going against the market, so that is the only one disadvantage. But if you're getting a signal from the buy for a green market, it is good. Same way if the market was red and you're getting a sell signal, it is very good. But anyways, if you see in any market, for scalper it doesn't matter. If you see, let's just go back, let's say within 12 o'clock, okay, because after 12 o'clock I don't like trading in the market, because the volume may go down or some bad news will come, sudden spikes will come. So morning, whenever there is a good volatility, when the stock is going up and down, try to catch the signals. For example, let's say yes, the day started with the signal over here. Okay, maybe you can just ignore. Okay, see, maybe you're lucky you got a trade here, you could have scalped it also, because for a longer period of time it stayed, and only after let's say close to 10 o'clock only it came down. So it's a very good signal, not early morning signal, but still you can just ignore it. You would have gone, let's say you would have gone with this signal, considering you got a buy here, so you would have taken, let's say, little above 470 somewhere, it has gone up to 548. Okay, so maybe 10, 15, 20, 30% profit you made. Okay, but let's say that yesterday the market was gap up, so maybe you took an advantage on buy signal. But for the people who understand charts more better, if it is a gap up and it was coming down, so the trend was down, so you had a sell over here again. See, within 12 o'clock I got a signal of sell over here. Now let's say I did a selling over here, later yes, the volatility was there and there was, it was going a bit sideways, and later it broke and went down. Okay, so from, let's say, you sold around these levels of 88. See, actually your scalper would have booked this profit before only. Here it has gone to 465 or 466. He would have scalped out in spikes only. Maybe the next candle only you will spike out. So he will book his profit here only somewhere, let's say 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees. He will scalp out. Maybe a person who's going to take risk will definitely wait. Post 12 o'clock, I would not suggest to take much of trades. Now again, let's say the market was sideways here, so anyways you got a signal over here. Let's say you scalped out 233, it has gone up to 180, but anyways you would have hit 10 rupees, 15 rupees, and you would have exited one or two candles. Same way, let's say you got a sell over here. So now let's say you did a sell in this 219, in next 10 minutes it has gone maximum only 193. So even a small spike, okay, see here, even a small spike of that 5 minutes will give you movements. If you don't book your profits, then you have to wait for the next rally. Now you need to wait for the next stock to come down like this and book your cost to cost or profits or whatever. So remember to book your profits early in terms of scalping. Like this you can scalp, and always remember these options will have based on time it will decay, it will go to zero, it will go down, it will be pulled down to zero side. All right, but we are doing this as a intraday on a strike price, which, if you see, cross check what is your value of your bank nifty. So your bank nifty is 21 480 400 like that, right? So somewhere closer to that strike price only you can search your stock over here. Anyways, in this nifty NSE chart you will get, option chain chart, you will get to know that where is your strike price. Just slowly check in the morning, somewhere closer here only, let's say 21,500, 21,400, something like that. You can take in the money like that, any this one, in the money, out the money. Only thing, you should have good volume or something closer here. If you take, obviously they will get good volume because people will be trading there. But remember, you're an intraday scalper, you're not going to wait for longer, whole day, half day or something. You will scalp within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So like this you can scalp 5 minute 2%, 5%. So like you see, I have scalped 6%. So like that easily I would say you can scalp 4 to 5% in options trading. Okay, so this is one method. So we have many other methods. So there are so many equity knowledge and indicators and ideas which I am trying to experiment on options, and things are working really good for me. So as and when I keep learning, I keep sharing with you. So you have to do practice. Remember, I am also learning options trading, and I'm identifying many things like how I learned equity. Now I have so much of experience in equity. Same way options, I'm learning phase. Maybe after a few years I'll have a lot of experience, but in this learning phase, if you want to be part with me, then you can also start learning so that you don't miss out my journey. So if you like such videos, hit that like button and share this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.